Welcome to our channel. This is your Das Master. Today I am going to give some important questions from the lesson 3 of democratic politics, gender, religion and caste. These are very useful for the examinations for the 10th class students who are appearing for the board exams, cbse syllabus, Ncert books. One more questions. What are feminist movements? Second one, define sex ratio. Third one, what is a secular state? Fourth one, name the laws enacted by the parliament for the welfare of women. Fifth one, what is the provision provided for women in Panchayati Raj in India? Sixth one, why did Indian freedom fighters choose the model of a secular state? Seventh one, what do you mean by vote bank? Eighth one, what does the Equal Remuneration Act 1976 signifies? Two more questions. First one, mention different aspects of life in which women are discriminated or disadvantaged in India. Second one, state how caste inequalities are still continuing in India. Third one, state how caste inequalities are still continuing in India. Fourth one, state two reasons to say that caste alone cannot determine election results in India. Fifth one, mention any two constitutional provisions that make India a secular state. Sixth one, caste is an important source of economic inequalities. Justify the statement. Seventh one, what are feminist movements? What were their major demands? Eighth one, what is sexual division of labor? Mention the main demands of the worldwide women's agitations. Ninth one, the role of women is increasing in public life. Justify the statement or comment on it. 10th one, what is communal politics? Explain. Or when does the communalism problems become acute? 11th one, explain the relationship between religion and politics. Or how are religious differences expressed in politics? Thirteenth one, 12th one, it is not politics that gets caste ridden, it is the caste that gets, , , 14th 1, 12th 1, it is not politics that gets caste ridden, it is the caste that gets, politicized. Comment on it. 15th 1, 12th 1, it is the caste that gets politicized. Comment on it. 16th 1, 12th 1, it is the caste that gets politicized. Comment on it. 17th 1, 12th 1, it is the caste that gets caste ridden, it is the caste that gets politicized. Comment on it. 13th one, percentage of the population living below the poverty line, 1999 to 2000. Caste and community groups, rural and urban. Scheduled tribes, rural 45.8, urban 35.6. Scheduled castes 35.9, 38.3. Other backward classes 27, 29.5. Muslim upper caste 26.8, 34.2. Hindu upper caste 11.7, 9.9. Christian upper caste 9.6, 5.4. Sikh upper caste 0.0, 4.9. Other upper caste 16.0, 2.7. All groups 27.0, 23.4. Questions: which caste or community has a very high percentage of population living below the poverty line? Second one, define below poverty line. Third one, mention any two factors due to which caste and caste system in modern India have undergone great changes. 14th one, observe the graph given below carefully and answer the questions that follows. Women in national parliament in different regions of the world in percent. World average 45, 40, 35, 20, 25, 20, 15, 10, 5, 0. Nordic countries, Americans, Europe, Sub-Sahara African region, Asia, Arab states, Pacific, India. Figures are here for the percent of women in the directly elected houses of parliament as on 1st October 2018. Could you think some reasons why women representation is low in India? Do you think that America and Europe have achieved a satisfactory level of women representation? Third one, name any two countries which have more percentage of women in the national parliament than the world average. Now, four more questions. First one, state different forms of communal politics with one example each. Second one, what is the status of women's representation in India's legislative bodies? Third one, secularism is not an ideology of some political parties or persons, but it is one of the foundation of our country. Examine the statement. Fourth one, how can religion influence politics? Explain. Fifth one, what is communalism? What are the major beliefs of communal people? Sixth one, state any four provisions of Indian Constitution which makes it a secular state. Seventh one, politics too influences the caste system. Explain or comment on it. Eighth one, examine the impact of caste system on Indian democratic system. List out any two measures eradicate effect of casteism. Ninth one, caste system and politics in India cannot be separated. Justify. Or caste system is very much inherent in politics. Justify the statement. Dear students, these are very important questions. You have to read thoroughly for your upcoming examinations. Please like my channel, subscribe it, and share it to the others. I am providing a next fourth lesson question and questions in the next video.